Hi, my name is Halik. I've been a patient of Glowjust for more than 3 years now. Came to do the hair loss review when I had hair loss just right after COVID. Now, I found Glowjust through the Google reviews. It was highly rated, so I came to give it a try. And at that time, I had my first interaction, had my first consultation, and I absolutely loved it because everything was very transparent. I was given the best sort of advice and even given options on how I would like to actually proceed with my treatment based on my budget. That's the part I absolutely really appreciate, the doctors taking a lot of effort. With the continual follow-up sessions, I was very happy because the team was very accommodating. They were very responsive, and they also provided a lot of options where they were able to fit my timing from the doctor. So I really appreciate the service that was provided, even from the front desk to the people that were responding to my WhatsApp. And moving to the medication has really helped me because with the pills, I can see a very good transformation for my hair growth. It's grown thicker, it's grown longer, and very dense. The shampoo has been also an amazing help because it assists me with my sensitive skin. The shampoo and the dandruff treatment has been amazing. I couldn't recommend it even more than what I'm actually using right now. So overall, with my experience with Glowjust, it's highly recommended for anyone who wants to get their hair treatment, just a follicle review, or any sort of hair related concerns that you have. Do come to Glowjust. Highly recommended once again.